你的字眼，从现在这种闪光，世界早已被这迷光，手开始不愿接受。
Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. Today we're going to present you a video about 1 minute Kung Fu tutorial. Just 1 minute. Let's go. Let's start it. The first move, your right hand hold your staff. Make sure long enough, just sit long like your arm. And right hand hold, left hand on the top. So let's do the backward of the flower. 提撩棍. Up to your right side, left side. Right side, left side, and you stop your right side and you go up straight. Make sure you line straight and you turn. So you go point, 点棍 and 摔棍. After that, your right hand quick go to the left. So you go 1, 2, straight right side, and you do flower left side, right side, and hit straight and turning. So you go 点棍 point, point. Forward flower, and you go straight. Then you stop and push palm. Let's say the whole thing. Welcome back. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel to hit the bell button so you don't miss out the next video. So follow Sifu JZ to learning the coolest Kung Fu tutorial in 1 minute. Okay, let's go. 1 minute Kung Fu tutorial. Part 2. Both stance push palm. Left arm straight up and followed by your stop. Make sure your arms are straight, go up, go drop stance, and make strike. And quick get up, so you go squash. After, you're gonna show your stuff. Make sure, line up your stuff and cut by your left hand. Let's say this. Let's see the full speed. Strike!